west side. It's a pretty good rising motion. So I'm looking kind of on the east or northeast side. There's some pretty good.
Can you hit your wipers?
Rising motion. Man, those clouds on the inflow band on the west side are really streaming in hard from the west. You know, this thing's probably working with less than optimal, inflow. I mean, it's getting its inflow from the east, right?
Yeah, definitely some movement on that
Okay,
west
so
side.
Brandon,
What did he say?
okay, so we've got east-northeast winds where we're at. There's pretty good motion. Oh, I guess you could say on the east side of the whole big lowering. Pretty good rising motion.
Check your radar real quick.
Oh. Check what?
Oh, I was just going to say check radar again. Again, right now we are on the southwest side of St. Joe, North Texas. Did they put a severe warning on it yet?
No, on the ones to the south they did. There's the velocity.
Okay.
It's still got decent velocity with it. And they've got it moving north, almost due north, but I don't think it is.
Yeah, I put it in motion. I mean, it looks to be going just due north, but
Does it?
one thing I did notice is it's kind of slowed down, so I really think it's going to turn right a little bit.
Well, so, it actually looks a little, maybe a little outflowish. So all this is coming in. Looks like to me it's coming in and wrapping right there where you see that rising motion. You see the scud kind of rising right there. See that rising scud? Why don't you zoom up on that just a little over here? That stuff's going up. So I'm kind of thinking if anything's going to happen, if there's any rotation, it's going to be right in there.
Hit your wipers, can you? All right.
Where the scud is rising. Brandon, we got pretty good rising motion, and this is going to be on kind of on the east-northeast flank here. But like you said earlier, it does look a little outflowish. There's a lot of west to east. Hey, but look, hey, that's forming kind of a little wall cloud right there. You see it? Yeah, definitely, if it's going to happen, it's going to be right in there. Yeah, I would say that there's at least some weak rotation in that area. I wouldn't say it's super tight, but it's there. Now, a lot of movement going on. Most of the movement, though, is pushing from...
What does that look right, like more in the foreground? Do you see that?
Close, right here?
Yeah.
It doesn't look laminar. Not yet. It's definitely rotation right there.
Mm-hmm.
They just put a severe on it.
That's what our EOC and the county's telling us.
Yeah, it just went severe. For quarter-size hail, sounds like. So, well, that's absolutely going